Да, и здравствуйте, дорогие друзья, с вами я, Коча, и продолжаю играть в Deadpool. Надеюсь, как мы взорвали. Вроде, куда мы поднимались, я не знаю. Мужской туалет мы взорвали. Только где женский, ну ладно.
Hey man, it's me, Deadpool! Didn't I go to high school with you?
What the hell is going on down there? Security! Get off your duffs and respond. I'll be in my penthouse. Don't let that clown get in here.
Penthouse, huh? Time to hop the elevators. Where could they be? Why are we here again? Ha! We're getting paid to off some billionaire douche nozzle.
That'd be media mogul Chance White. Has ties to the mob, owns a private army, makes babies cry. Your classic easy-to-hate villain.
What are we doing again?
Elevators. Are you even paying attention?
Of course I am! Making sure you... You're gonna want to have a doctor take a look at that.
No.
Alert! We are locking elevator access now. Troops should give me that. Listen, master moron. Nobody comes into my house like this. I hope it was worth it.
The elevators are disabled. Oh, I know! Let's just get some chimichangas and wait for him to come downstairs.
Or we could find a way to shut down power to the entire building. That would force a system reset, bringing power back to the elevator.
I like this guy. We should keep him around. To maintenance!
Somebody get down there and shoot that clown!
I am not a clown, sir! Look at me when I'm talking to you.
Что это по хедшотам раздаю? Что это у меня?
He shoots! He scores!
Опа! Ты наоборот, уже мозголом где-то. Ну да, опять комбо. Это это вышибатель мозгов, ёпта. Shift Q.
I need theme music.
Deadpool.
Yeah, something like that. Let the games begin! My, what big generators you have.
Is that code?
Nah, innuendo. Innuendo. Welcome to Loserville. Population, you. Nope, wrong way. This is what I think it is. Jackpot! Ooh, scary. I'll bet those elevators work again. I'm so smart.
Which one of you pinheads shut down the damn power? Get down there and fix it!
Let's try something a little fancy. The higher your combo, the faster you can earn momentum to do awesome moves like that. We can get more momentum moves by upgrading our weapons.
High combos mean more Deadpool points, which mean more awesome upgrades. Got it!
This would go a lot smoother if my reputation preceded me.
I think you need to leave survivors for that to happen.
Those are real!
Порежу, да? Порежу. Что, остановились? Уже начали.
Just shoot him! How the hell do you fools keep missing?
Chansey, lay off your boys. They are hitting me. It's just that I'm healing. I got a sick healing factor. Get used to it. Let's get it on! Pirate style. Catch! That was sick! I should autograph his face.
Чего там?
An open elevator. That's more like it.
Ой-ой-ой-ой-ой-ой. Еще и такой жирный, пройти чуть не могу.
Hey, this is my jam.
You can't
Ты
say.
не можешь.
Crazy. I'm crazy for feeling so lonely. See? He's like,
Видишь, он поет как ангел.
I'm crazy. I'm crazy for feeling. This must be my stop. Ah, there's gotta be a way out of here. Think, Deadpool, think. Movie solution to being stuck in an elevator in 3, 2, 1. Well, I gotta get to the penthouse somehow. Hey, have you bought any upgrades lately? It's a down moment, you know? Might be a good time. Say it. You think the bounce house is still pumped up?
Of course it is.
Oh, it's just so gosh darn hard to choose sometimes, you know?
А, удерживай. Окей.
Keep him out of the newsroom.
Oh, a TV studio.
I always thought we'd make a great reality TV show.
Chance White dies at the hands of super sex pot mercenaries. Sorry, at 11.
Break out the heavy firepower. Stop this freak. What am I paying you imbeciles for? Kill him!
If that hit you in the chest, I'm sorry. It's aiming for your crotch.
Ранил. Что такое?
Ooh, tiny. Get away!
You think I'm afraid of a mercenary? I work in television!
Готовы, детки?
I've got you now, dead.
You look like you needed some air.
You look good on camera, but you're gonna look better dead. Smoke out!
Smoke? But it'll be harder for you to see how awesome I am.
Heads up! They're dropping in from the catwalks.
There you go.
Что ты делаешь, мужчина?
Charge set! Fire!
Out comes... I'm Wade Wilson, and I approve...
Guard that exit. Don't let him escape or you're all dead men.
О, сейчас я так вот. Вот нормально уже так собрал.
Kill this guy already! Kill him! He's getting too close!
Ah, cut these guys some slack, Jancy. You're trying their best. Special delivery.
Pipe was a fine example of marksmanship.
Because you shits can't do your job, I'm calling in my serious backup. Stall Deadpool until they get here. You think you're big time, Deadpool? You ain't shit. I've got dangerous friends. People who will end you. You're out of your league now.
Given the caliber of the guys you're throwing at me now, you'll have to forgive my skepticism.
You know what the best part is? You actually think you'll make it.
Ooh, nasty slide. Should have used the 5-iron.
Окей, X. Это то самое.
When you die, try to make it look good. I might just put it out the air.
This ain't a paintball, Skipper.
Your blood looks good on my walls. I think I'll keep it like that.
That was an awesome shot. Natural.
Так, окей. Куда нам сюда вроде, да?
Target identified. Is anyone there? Come in.
Нас
Did you kill him? I repeat, is the intruder dead? Over!
So, where do we go from here?
Only one way to go. Up.
The intruder's on the roof. Send all available units to the rooftop.
Wow, I can see my house from here.
Should we be playing with these things?
The designer wouldn't have put them here if they weren't supposed to be played with.
Good point.
He's over there!
Holy shit! Someone could get hurt on this thing.
Вот сейчас я вам покажу.
Sayonara, shit stain.
Ёпта. Что-то мы потратили. И, дорогие друзья, я тут через секунд закончить. Я пройду дверцу, быстро, как я прошел его. Впервой.
Gonna poke some holes into your theory and your head. Now I have a machine gun. Ho ho ho! Don't mind me, guys. Just here to steal your multi-million-dollar military-grade whirlybird. Can't shoot back when you got no head. We are all pawns in the game of life.
I want him dead. Get Shark One off the ground and rip him to pieces. Roger that, sir.
Damn, they found the helicopter's on switch.
What, you can't hijack a chopper while it's flying around trying to turn you into shredded cheese?
You doubt our skills? Prepare to be amazed! I can't kill that chopper with my guns, but I can scare him. Dude, these guns we have suck! That one doesn't suck.
But we don't have it.
We don't have it yet.
I've lost him. Send reinforcements to the rooftop to find him.
Fly or die, asshole. Your choice.
Gonna need both hands to shoot that minigun.
Says who? I do stuff with one hand all the time. Take us to the right, my newly acquired pilot. I got some ammo to spend. So juicy. Swing around, fly boy. We got heat on our left. It's so loud I can barely hear myself think. I was thinking the same thing. What? We got company behind us! Make it so! Woo! We could do this all day!
Get Shark 2 airborne now! Shark 1 is compromised. Shark 2, blow it out of the sky! Yes, sir.
We got a bad feeling about this! Keep it steady, dingus! Jeez, I can fly better than that! Hey, gives me an idea.
No, wait.
Hell yes! Hey, we're flying!
We cannot fly.
Well, it is good to have dreams.
Dreams, yes. Delusions?
Yeah! You know what else is good to have? Skills. This might be a good time to buy some upgrades. So buy upgrades.
давайте. Ага, я знаю, права.
The penthouse! I knew we'd make it. Now, where is the man of the hour, Senor Chance Blanco?
Where you can't get me, freak. My panic room is Deadpool.
How's that for a souvenir?
Meet my personal guard. He's bigger than you, badder than you, and he's purpose-built to eat little shits like you for breakfast.
Eat shit for breakfast?
Oh, Daddy, look at the size of that thing.
That's what she said. I wonder if we can even carry that gun.
Only one way to find out.
What the hell? Я мне только 60 патронов.
I've got visual.
Лопатки. Ой.
Oh, it just never gets old. You know what I'm saying? Remember, you have a teleporter to dodge those rocket attacks. Oh man, what is this?
Someone get up to the penthouse and kill this asshole!
Well, that was just plain fun right there. Missed a zillion times, we wouldn't be out of ammo!
I'm just getting started!
What? Fuck you.
Oh man, what is this?
Someone get up to the penthouse and kill this asshole!
Whoa, that one went up good. How many bullets are in your head so far? Now I have a big gun. Ho ho ho. Oh, we need a vacation.
I don't know what you're after, you masked freak, but you'll never get to me while I'm in this panic room.
I'd like to test that theory. How much C4 is this gonna take?
It's no more than 20 ounces.
What? Oh, I hate the metric system. How much in American?
Let's see. Carry the 7...
Dude, fuck math. Just use all of it.
Ёпта.
Yeah! That was awesome!
Told you. 20 ounces.
Whoa.
That was pretty sweet.
How's that for impenetrable, asshole?
Careful, we still need him alive.
Exactly how alive are we talking?
Я хочу полететь.
You're insane!
Not as insane as you think.
Батучик. Батучику капец.
Yeah, that was fun! Yeah, it was okay.
Well, it's not like we get a do-over on this one.
The hell we don't! Peter, my man, you see all that? Buttload of awesomeness.
Deadpool, you idiot! Do you know how much money all those explosions and tacky graphics just cost me? You can't just change whatever you want, whenever you want.
Yeah, that's great, Peter. Talk to my dick. Hey, where are you a-holes going with my contract?
Ладно, украли.
Way to go. He got away.
Give me some credit. Oh, I see. We let him get away, didn't we? Duh. Fun is in the chase.
Now you're
Дорогие
talking.
друзья,
Let's get
наверное,
him.
все. Я заканчиваю это видео. Надеюсь, вам понравилось. Ставьте лайк. И до новых видео. Подписывайся.